Guys, Saturday morning, actually afternoon, and we're in New York City, Electrify Expo, and there's a bunch of cool prototypes here and new scooters. Let me show you some cool Super 73s. This is powerful lithium, and my bike, it's almost done. I just need to find a rear wheel that doesn't have a hub, just a regular axle, and I can't find that, so I have to make a custom one, and that's why the build is so delayed. But this is almost finished. It's missing the axle and the drive, and look at this cool Super 73 built by powerful lithium. This thing is sick. Look at this thing. This is a different build, also hub motor, different wheels, metal case, and look at the bikes in the back. Remember last year Lewis had his custom builds. This year he came with even better projects. Look here. This is a street legal Grom. I forgot the price, but probably around $6,800 or a little bit under $7,000. And this is ready to roll. Look at this thing here.
The big raw material.
Look at this thing. The battery's not there, but you drop the battery and this is good to go. It's just, look at this thing here. So they drove this here.
But it'll catch traction also. It's not like PVC mixed.
This bike is awesome, guys. This is just, I want to buy one of this. So final build, all ready to go, $6,800, and it goes up to 90 miles an hour. It's just so well proportioned. Look at this thing. Other bikes here. Yeah, a lot of cool bikes. I have to find Peter and get the specs for you guys really quickly, but this is just, especially the mini bike, this is crazy. Yeah, this is beautiful. Let me ask Peter to come and give us some insights. Peter, can I borrow you for a second? Yeah, I mean, if you're not busy.
Oh, I thought you meant something.
Can you tell us all the specs about the bike? Very fast.
It has a Socin 10,000 watt hub motor, runs a powerful lithium P45 moly cell battery. It's like 72 volt, 67.5 amp hour battery.
What's next?
And it has the whole front end Socin fork kit, wheels, handlebar, display, fork. It's a unsuspectingly fun build. and you get to try it soon.
Yeah, I'm definitely first in line to try it. Hopefully tomorrow, tonight. But what are the specs? What are the range? What are the speed?
I don't know yet, but we're gonna find out together.
What do you assume? You know, it's gonna do?
More than 70 is my guess with our weight.
I see. Okay, this is perfect. Like, I have to sit so you guys can see the size comparison, but this thing is just nuts. Yeah, I'm 6'3". Oops. I'm 6'3", 230 pounds, and this is how it looks with me on it. Suspension is just a lot of travel. Yeah, it's, I mean, for $6,800, this is perfect. I want it. I'm gonna build one. I'm gonna actually make one. This is really impressive. And the tire in the back, it's wide. It's a little bigger than the front, and it's just like so well balanced. Like, look at this thing. It's just perfect. And he chose the right color with the black back, with the wheels. It's perfect match. It just looks.
The glitter is amazing.
Yeah, looks fantastic.
They picked out the color for me, and it's a nice contrast to all the black that's on the bike.
And
everything pop.
And Peter told me that the controller is gonna go from here to the top right here. Will be a nice custom box, so it looks better. So there's more clearance here, and there's no dirt thrown into there. And we can also put some fenders later on if you want to make it like everyday rider for any weather. It has the mountings there. It's a perfect mid-size bike. It's just fantastic.
It's like your Crusader with the blue pill.
Yeah, I agree, yeah. It's just fabulous. Yeah, look at this thing. Just insane bike. And you have here the specs. You can actually pause and take a look and read all the stuff. This is the cleanest bike I've seen so far, and this frame and the way it's designed, the way it's built is just crazy cool. Like, this thing is just insane, and you can do so much here, adjustability wise, and look how clean it is. Like, the builder told me this part is gonna go on top right there. Suspension is for his weight, he's much lighter than me, but the way all connected, all done is just freaking perfect. This bike just rides so comfortable. It's like raw DIY, but so nicely done, powder coated, nice bag, powerful thin battery. You have the controller here from this company, this Soshan. Like, it's the perfect dream bike. I'm gonna build the same one, and this build costs $6,800. So I already have a battery that can drop there. So the battery is about $2,800, $3,000. So it'll be half the price. Only have to get the frame, the motor, have the shock, have the seat, just to get the front suspension and the wheels. The wheels are, I think, 16-inch. Like, perfect combination. I don't think the video reflects how cool this thing looks. It's just like, you have to see it in person. It's just awesome build. Simple, fast, practical. You have to get a license for New York City or any state in US, I believe. But it looks sick, guys. It's just beautifully done. It's like better than the factory. Like, all the wires, look here, all hidden properly, routed underneath. It's just simple and nice. Good light in the front. I think he's missing turning signals to be added, and that's pretty much it. I think you have the light in the back here. It's kind of small, but the right proportion. Like, I would get better quality stuff, but the rest is just perfect. Guys, amazing bike. I just love it, how it looks, how it feels. It's just so comfortable. This thing is crazy. There's not much room here to really test this bike, but I really want to go and unload the maximum power. The bike just feels torquey off the line at the start. Acceleration is just aggressive, picks up speed very, very fast. It is also intuitive, a lot of range, super comfortable despite having shock set up for a very light person. Punchy off the line. This bike just feels fast and so exciting to ride. It looks fantastic, and I was not expecting to ride this good. This bike is just insanely comfortable, looks aggressive, super sporty, exactly what I want.
Like, it's so real. Look at it, suspension. It's crazy.
Mid-drive versus hub drive is such a big difference, but the bike is freaking like super nice, comfortable, and has power. I cannot go fast here, but it really picks up. Really easy. The only thing is this needs to be tight and it's all loose. This bike looks sick and it feels so good. Yeah, I can see this as like a perfect commuter for those that live far and want to go a little fast and do it in style. This is the bike to do. Yeah, it has power. And suspension is soft for my weight, but still feels so good. This bike is really cool. Let's do a stretch here. Yeah, the screen is not correct. This is probably not adjusted. I'm going much faster than 17 or 25 miles an hour. This is really comfortable. Yeah, I can feel the weight in the back, but man, it's fast. picks up speed really fast. This is so comfortable. Suspension, seat, crazy cool. I don't know when, but I'm gonna build this bike. I'm gonna freaking get the parts and assemble it. It rides so nice. Yeah, it's not enough room here to drive, but it's quick. Crazy quick. Let's get back. Yeah. Bro, the bike is sick. It's really cool. And it's not even full. Oh, the battery's almost empty.
No, it's not. It's something with the breaker.
Oh, the breaker?
Weird, yeah.
It picks up really fast.
Yeah. Let's see again. Because I had that same problem coming here.
So you have to adjust your things, but overall presentation is freaking insane, bro. Hey, too. It's really cool. I love it. Wow. This is horn?
No, it's a horn, yeah.
Horn. Oh, they have a horn.
Sounds like it has a fold.
They have everything. It's freaking, bro. This is just turn off, right?
Yeah.
This is like, and that, okay. Look at this thing.
Make sure you tag me and...
Absolutely, yeah. This thing is awesome, bro.
Powder coat they did on it?
Power coat is so-so, but the bike is awesome.
I like it.
You should make it golden like my scooter. Make it golden. That'll like pop, you know? Or black. I would like to see black. No?
AI? Yeah, AI did it in black.
It didn't look good?
For me, it's not. Like in black, it also doesn't look good either.
No, the way it is perfect. I love it.
Like I AI'd it in black and it's... You don't see the... It hides everything, yeah.
Can I lift it?
Details matter.
Oh,
You can't lift it from the seat.
yeah, the back is... Oh, from here? Oh, it's not bad. I can lift it still, yeah. Man, amazing. This thing is fantastic. I have the battery from V. I just need to get the frame and the rest of the parts,
The
yeah.
thing is from Powerful Lithium. You just need the frame.
Get the frame, yeah?
Yeah. You get the frame, Powerful Lithium, all of it.
Absolutely. Thanks, man, for the ride. Let's go and try mine.
Yeah.